Welcome to Buysellvouchers. In this video, we will explain how to register on our website and purchase gift cards. Let's get started. Once you're on the Buysellvouchers website, go to the top right corner and click on Sign Up. Here, you can sign up through Google or via email. For this demonstration, we'll use email. Enter your email, create a username, and set a password. Check I agree, and then click Sign Up. A verification link will be sent to your email. Go to your email inbox and click on Verify Email to complete the verification process. Once you have successfully registered to buy a gift card, go to the search box and look for your desired gift card by name. Choose your desired card from the search results. On the card details page, you can find all the information about the card and the seller. You can also read feedback from previous buyers. Click Buy Now to proceed to the payment page. Here, choose your preferred payment method and then click Buy. In just a few seconds, your payment will be successful and the product will be delivered. You have received your product code. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels for more content. Thank you for choosing Buysellvouchers.